y'all doing good? You good? You good? I'm good. You good? Okay, good. Alright, so I know it's been a while since the last time I did a video, and it's been probably close to 2 years now since the last time I posted a cooking video, and I'm not gonna get off into that because I'm tired of making excuses. I'm pretty sure y'all tired of hearing it, but I'm back now. That's all that matters. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? This is like my second coming back. But anyway, today I'm coming at y'all with a video on how to make apple butter. Now I used to not like apple butter because my mom, she used to buy like the store brands, and I never liked them. They just taste like, to me, the ones that the brand that she bought always tasted like bland applesauce. But we were at a farmer's market a few years ago, and there was this little old couple. They were selling some of it, and my mama, she bought some of it. And I actually tasted it, and I fell in love with it right there. Theirs, it was, you could taste the apples in it, and it wasn't bland. It was heavily spicy, and that's what I really enjoyed about it. So I decided that I want to do my own version of that. So I've been saying I wanted to make my own version of apple butter for a while now, but I never got around to it up until the about the past 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I've been, making it and adjusting it, my recipe and stuff like that, and testing and all that kind of stuff. So at this point, especially if it's something I've never made before, it's safe to say that I'm sick of the stuff because I've been trying it and making it. I'm just sick of it at this point. But anyway, I'm so glad that I was able to get it done, and so I can present it to y'all. Now, it is made in the slow cooker. You can do it on the stove if you want to. I know a lot of people do it that way. There's several different methods that you can use to make this. I'm just showing y'all mine. Some people like to do this. I prefer to do this. It's just I have my own way of doing it, and other people have their way of doing it. But like I said, it's made in the slow cooker, and this is just my way of doing it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I know y'all tired of hearing me talk. It's been a while since the last time I did a video, so let's go ahead and let's get on into the recipe. Alright, y'all, we're making apple butter. So guess what we're gonna need first? That's right, apples. So I'm just using regular red delicious apples. I've already cleaned these very well, and you're gonna need about 8 to 10. Actually, you're gonna need about 8. If you have apples that are bigger than 9, you might be able to get away with 6. So right now I'm gonna start the part that I hate the most, which is taking the stems off of them and peeling them really good. And I like to do this over the sink, so I just have it all there in one spot, and then once I get done, I can just put it down the garbage disposal. And y'all, some of my apples, they were a little beat up, but yeah, they were on their way out the door, so I had to go ahead and use these up because I bought them about a week and a half, 2 weeks before I actually filmed this video, so they were on their way out the door. Alright, so I'm going to cut the bottoms off, and I'm going to show y'all why. I finally got me one of these apple core tools, so it's really useful if you have to core some apples and slice them at the same time. So it just makes it really good for that. So as you can see, it takes all the it takes them and it cuts them into wedges, and then you're left with the core. So I'm just going to continue on for the rest of the apples doing this same process right here. And make sure you take a second look at your apples because sometimes the apple core doesn't always remove all the seeds from it. So take a look at that. Alright, so we're just going to pour all the apples into the slow cooker. And yeah, I should have used the bigger slow cooker that I had, but I just like using this one. It was convenient, and I just really like using this one. But it'll be alright. Then I'm going to add in some brown sugar and some granulated white sugar. Like I said, depending on the type of apples you use, you may have to use more or less sugar. Again, this is just something you have to play by ear. Remember, you can always add it in, but you can't always take it out. And yeah, I know it's a lot going on in there, but y'all, it's going to cook all down. So I'm going to add in some apple cider. And I'm going to also add in some fresh orange juice. And then I'm going to add in some allspice, some cinnamon, and some ground clove. And then we're going to put the lid on it, and we're going to cook it for 4 hours on high, or you can also do it on low for 6 to 8 hours. And after about an hour, I just went in and giving everything a good stir. Of course, once you put all the ingredients in there, you want to stir it, but as y'all can see, I didn't have that much space. So you stir it first, and then you turn it on and cook it. This is what it looks like after 4 hours. So at this point, everything is pretty much good to go. So what I like to do is like to go in with a potato masher and smash them up a little bit and just get them a little bit smaller. Of course, if you wanted to, you can just put them in the food processor, but I'm not gonna actually do that. I just like to smash them with a potato masher, and then I'm gonna go in with my immersion blender in a little bit, and I'm gonna blend it into a really smooth consistency. So once it reaches this stage right here, I like to pull out my immersion blender, and I just like to blend it with the immersion blender.
Of course, like I said earlier, if you don't have an immersion blender, you can just take it out and put it in the food processor and you'll be good to go. Or if you like it really chunky, you can leave it like that. So this is what it looks like after I blended it very well. Now if you wanted to, you can stop right here, but as you can see, it's a little bit loose and I want it to be a little bit thicker. So I'm actually gonna put the lid kind of halfway on the pot. Well, actually, I actually just took it off after this. I left it off the whole time and I let it cook for about 3 hours. As you can see, it's reduced a little bit. This is me cooking it for 3 hours without the lid on it, so it's a little bit thicker. If you want to try to can this, you can actually also do that. I tried to do it, y'all. I didn't know what I was doing. Well, I thought I was doing a really good job, but I canned some of it, and about a week and a half later, I opened the container. I had a nice little surprise. So you're done at this point, and y'all know I have a good bit. Actually, I have 2 good biscuit recipes on my channel. If you want to serve this up with you a biscuit, I know some people they like to put it on their ice cream. I tried that recently, and it's really good. Some people like to eat it with their waffles or their pancakes. You can put it on a piece of buttered toast, whatever it is. I want you to enjoy it. And y'all, I try to be fancy and put a nice little design on the apple butter, but it didn't work out. So yeah.
Alright y'all, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. The link to the recipe will be in the description box. And yeah, I just want to let y'all know it's been like I said, almost 2 years since I did this whole filming thing in the kitchen for one of my cooking videos. So I just want to let y'all know that I'm struggling. And I got me a light. The light is about to blind me. I actually have like a real camera light now. And I also have me an external monitor on top of the camera since my camera doesn't have like a flip out screen. So I'm trying to get adjusted to everything, but I just want to let you know I'm struggling. It's hot, I'm sweating because I'm nervous. But anyway, I really hope y'all enjoyed that. And also save a little bit of the apple butter. Because I have something else that I'm actually testing out now where you'll need to use some of that. So put some of that to the side, and hopefully later on within the next week or so, I'll have another video where we can use some of that. But I need a couple of y'all, I need some of y'all to head over to my other channel and join me over there. I'll leave the link down to my second channel in the description box, so you can click on that and it'll take you over to my second channel, because chances are if you don't see me here, you might see me over there. So if y'all would, I would appreciate it if you go see me over on my second channel. And yeah, link will be in the description for the recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, leave me a comment down below, and I will see y'all on the next video. Thank you for your patience, and yeah, let's keep it moving.